This is the syrup, sugar syrup. So the reason why we're using a bigger pan here is because we have to like put the rice crackers in to toss. We recommended this cookies because this cookie is also specially made by rice. And today's our theme is abundant, abundance
Bank of
abundance and also abundance of blessing. So and our one of our element in decoration. Toss.
Some sesame and also peanuts. I think whoever would Okay, now we have to use the baking paper laid on top of the rice crackers that we mixed earlier. Okay, I think you see what she added earlier, right? The green leaves is the coriander leaves, okay? You put the roller on and press it firmly. Anyone have tried this before at home? Or family? Anyone? Family members?
It's very easy, simple, right?